Restaurant English. Learn English for ordering food at a restaurant. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we are going to learn restaurant English. Imagine you are at a restaurant in an English speaking country. You want to look at the menu, order your food, ask for something politely, and finally pay the bill. Don't worry. Today, I will teach you some simple and useful English sentences that you can use at a restaurant. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to order food confidently in English. So let's get started. I would like. The first important expression is I would like. We use I would like when we want something politely. For example, I would like a hamburger, please. Repeat. I would like a hamburger, please. Good. Here are some more examples. I would like a chicken sandwich, please. Repeat. I would like a chicken sandwich, please. Another example. I would like a cup of coffee, please. Repeat. I would like a cup of coffee, please. And I would like some water, please. Repeat. I would like some water, please. You can also say, I would like the pasta, please. Or, I would like the chicken, please. This is a very useful expression when ordering food. Now let's practice. Imagine the waiter asks, what would you like? You say, I would like a pizza, please. One more time. I would like a pizza, please. Excellent. Can I have the menu? Our second useful sentence is, can I have the menu? We use this when we want to ask for the menu. Repeat. Can I have the menu? You can make it more polite by saying, can I have the menu, please? Repeat. Can I have the menu, please? Very good. Here is a short conversation. Waiter, hello. Welcome. Customer, hello. Can I have the menu, please? Waiter, of course. Here you are. Customer, thank you. Let's practice the customer sentence again. Can I have the menu, please? Now imagine you are at a restaurant. You sit down. The waiter comes to your table. What do you say? Can I have the menu, please? Perfect. The food is delicious. Now you've ordered your food. The food arrives. You take your first bite. Wow, it's really good. What can you say? The food is delicious. Repeat. The food is delicious. Excellent. Delicious means the food tastes very good. You can also say, this food is delicious. Repeat. This food is delicious. Or, the chicken is delicious. Repeat. The chicken is delicious. Or, the soup is delicious. Repeat. The soup is delicious. Let's practice a short conversation. Sarah, how is your food? Anna, the food is delicious. Again. Sarah, how is your food? Anna, the food is delicious. Great job. Please bring the bill. Now you've finished your meal. You are ready to pay. What do you say? You can say, please bring the bill. Repeat. Please bring the bill. You can also say, can I have the bill, please? Repeat. Can I have the bill, please? Both are useful. In American English, you may also hear, can I have the check, please? Repeat. Can I have the check, please? Bill and check can both refer to the amount you need to pay at a restaurant. Let's practice. Customer, excuse me. Waiter, yes? Customer, can I have the bill, please? Waiter, of course. Customer, thank you. Very good. Full restaurant conversation. Now let's put everything together. Listen to this complete conversation. Waiter, hello. Welcome to our restaurant. Customer, hello. Waiter, here is your table. Customer, thank you. Waiter, would you like to see the menu? Customer, yes, please. Can I have the menu? Waiter, of course. Here you are. Customer, thank you. Waiter, are you ready to order? Customer, yes. I would like a chicken sandwich, please. Waiter, would you like anything to drink? Customer, yes. I would like a glass of water, please. Waiter, anything else? Customer, no, thank you. Waiter, okay. I'll bring your order soon. Customer, thank you. Later. Waiter, how is everything? Customer, the food is delicious. Waiter, I'm glad you like it. Customer, thank you. After the meal. Customer, excuse me. Waiter, yes? Customer, can I have the bill, please? Waiter, certainly. Customer, thank you. Excellent. You just completed a restaurant conversation in English. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. I will give you a prompt, and you say the English sentence. You want to see the menu. Say, can I have the menu, please? Great. You want a hamburger? Say, I would like a hamburger, please. Excellent. The food tastes very good. Say, the food is delicious. Perfect. You have finished your meal and want to pay. Say, can I have the bill, please? Excellent. You are doing a great job. Review. Let's quickly review today's important sentences. I would like. Use it when ordering something. Can I have the menu, please? Use it when you want to see the menu. The food is delicious. Use it when you really like the food. Can I have the bill, please? Use it when you are ready to pay. Practice these sentences several times, and you will feel much more confident speaking English at a restaurant. Thank you for watching Restaurant English. Don't forget to practice speaking out loud. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.